Transferring money from CIBC to Scotiabank can be effortlessly accomplished. Today, I will guide you through the process. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to cibc.com. Once there, access the Ways to Bank section. Sign into your CIBC online or mobile banking account. From the menu, choose Global Money Transfer. Enter the necessary information about your recipient and the amount you wish to send. Select your preferred currency and click Submit. Your recipient will typically receive the funds within 1 to 3 business days. If you're dealing with a substantial amount of money, you might want to consider a wire transfer instead. Visit your local CIBC branch and inquire about the wire transfer process. You'll need to provide the recipient's Scotiabank account details and complete any required forms. Keep in mind that financial institutions may impose fees for certain types of transfers, which can vary based on the amount and method chosen. It's wise to confirm the fees and terms associated with your chosen transfer method.